One of the huge distinctions between MVP and other aftermarket parts companies is where other places offer generic or will-fit parts, we are unique in that we truly offer drop-in replacement parts that meet or exceed the original OEM part for fit and performance. A good example is the hose we sell to replace Advance's number 56314-533, which is used on a number of machines such as the Adhancer, Advenger, Adgressor, and the BR series. The OEM version is a good quality hose, constructed of a high-strength PVC hose cover bonded to a coated steel spring helix. This offers a great blend of durability and flexibility. It also has a special cuff, molded to a specific size with ridges that allow a hose clamp to be held securely in place. Take a look at the exact drop-in replacement that you can get from MVP. To replace this OEM hose and create a drop-in replacement, MVP uses the exact same quality hose as the OEM. We went even further with the cuffs, having special molds made so that we can replicate the OEM cuff exactly, right down to the hose clamp ridges and its special compact size. Some of the other generic or will-fit parts suppliers out there supply this, a truly generic version. It simply uses generic hose and generic enlarger cuff to do the same job. The easy difference is that this competitor's version does not have the ridges molded into the cuff to ensure that the hose clamp will stay in place. This in itself can be a big problem, potentially leading the hose to come off. The biggest difference, however, is in the size of the cuff. The generic enlarger cuff that the competitor uses is 1 3/4 inches taller than the OEM. The smaller, more compact size of the OEM cuff allows it to just barely clear the housing when the squeegee assembly is raised up by the machine's mechanical actuator. Notice that there is not much clearance when doing so. You can see here that the MVP version is able to be raised and fits perfectly under the machine, thanks to our cuff which matches the OEM perfectly. Look at what happens to the competitor's hose when you raise it up. The hose is crushed between the machine body and the squeegee assembly. It also causes the squeegee assembly to tilt dramatically and drag on the floor, causing other possible damage. This will all definitely lead to excessive wear and premature failure of the hose, as well as putting additional stress on the actuator. This means that while the other parts company's hose will fit and will function, the MVP hose will function just like the OEM, be more durable, and stay in place much more positively, just the way the OEM hose is designed to. While we could have offered a cheaper version, MVP does not feel this other aftermarket parts company's version is good enough for our customers. All this means is that your customers will be supremely confident in the part you provide them, and so will you. We put this kind of attention to detail in every part we sell, ensuring that when you get a part from MVP, it will not simply fit, but it will be a premium drop-in replacement for the OEM. On top of that, MVP will always keep you smiling with these premium parts at very competitive prices, such as with our hose example. Even though we are providing a much higher quality part, our price still beats everyone out there. While the other guys might say you have to give something up to get the cheap price they offer, you never have to worry about giving up something when buying from MVP. You can always count on us for premium quality parts for floor cleaning equipment and personnel carriers at very competitive prices. Call our team and check us out on your most popular parts today.